my tears away. You make me wanna stay in one fast and on the shore. One from forward to all beside you is where I want to be. One from forward to left to know to
Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Daniel bringing you to another one. For tonight's video, we're gonna head out to this underground meet that we got invited to. We're gonna see how it is. I got invited to it last time. It's just that I didn't have my camera with me because it was a last minute thing. I'm gonna go wash my car because, man, it's dirty with this bullshit California has weather, cold, rain, snow, hail, whatever the fuck it is. We get that bullshit ass rain. So we're gonna go wash it. I'm gonna go meet up with my buddy Eric over there, and then from there we're gonna meet up with another buddy, the 392 Scat. I'm gonna go see his rap. You know, he did a custom rap from Cars. He did it from Jackson Storm. So we'll go from there. We'll go see how it is, and we'll go wash our vehicles, and we'll be right back. So we just finished doing a car wash. I didn't run to record it because it was a fast quick. We got one of the homies home in the front, the Mustang. Yeah. And then you got the homie 392 in the back, Scat Daddy. And then behind us is his homie. Each right there. And my baby over here laughing and shit. I'm telling you, negative shit right here. Ignore the negatives. It's black, you can't even see shit. I'm about to meet up right there. We'll put it right back. Alright, here we go. I think we just got here. Everybody's pulling in. We got a Mustang in front. So here we go. Yeah, this is the spot, baby. I think so. I don't know. Almost great. Oh no, this is a different one. What the hell? I could have sworn this is what we entered last time. Go ahead. Alright, let me change my headlights so people can see that I'm coming through.
What'd you change?
The strobe ones.
The what?
The light ones. When they change. There we go. There's some Japanese type of shit. Look at that. Underground moment, brother. Yeah, look at that. Oh, look at that. We're just following this Mustang, see what we park at. God damn, they did better than the one we were before. The other me that we were, it was crowded and a lot of people can park. Oh, that smog! Oh, I know that guy. That's Big Jackie. I know that one. Hell yeah! Finally coming into these night meets. Oh, I don't know where you went. Always behind me. What is that? Another SRT 392. See what we're working at, y'all. What are we doing? We're gonna you're all in the empty spot over there. Ooh. The 392 though. Oh, I'm about to gotta show you what I've done to my car, bro. I'm breaking them necks though. Where we parking at, yo? Where are we parking at? Are we parking? Nah, we're gonna park over here on our empty spot. Well, I guess so. Man, I smell nothing but smoke. Right there. Damn, look at what happens when you wash your car, it gets all fucked up. Hold on, I think I should park over there with the fucking chargers. Nah, never mind, Eric is parking right here. Oh fuck! Something. Let's go clean this fucking window, cause man. Alright, here you guys go, dog. This is what I did. This is what I did. Boom! Got colorful changes, bro! Look at that.
I can't see it.
I can't see it, but man, turn off the lights, Grace. Turn off the light! What? Nah.
Is that where your vlog?
Ah, yeah.
Did you get good pots?
I'm trying, yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna turn off the light. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Huh? Yeah, I thought you were gonna park there. That's why I didn't move. So that's the next mod that I did to my car. My baby. That's what I did. Colorful changes, RGBW lights. Got assistance from my boy, Cap, WCM Cap. You know, gonna give him a great 5-star service from him for all the help. Thanks a lot, brother. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at that though. Look at that though. Oh, it's coming along. I'm in love though. I'm in love. I like it. Yeah, Eric needs to go low, low. That was nice. Hell yeah, bro. I got some vlogs from this fool. That's why I had to come turn it on real quick. DJ Quick, huh? Damn, that's just pretty tight. I'm still debating if I should do the claws on mine. I'm trying to find out. So this is the 392. He did it Jackson Storm from Cars 3. As you can see, got the 2.0. Jackson Storm, brother. Check it out. Black. The grills and underglows might be my next mod coming up. I'm thinking if I should do that for more shows. Look at that. That shit looks way better, huh? Damn, look at that. Huh? I know, this is a big old wing, bro.
Look at that.
My love. Let's go walk around, get some of the little scope outs. Damn, that wrap though. Oh, there's the one with the big wing. Check it out. Hold on, catch window. That shit looking fire though. This shit ain't too loud enough for me to not hear this conversation. Oh yeah, here we go. Huh? I don't know. Watch out. I lost them fools. I don't know where they went. He took off. He went up.
There's only one way in it now.
Yeah, that's what it was last time. But it's not from this spot though. It's a different one. Let's go check it out right here, bro. Look at that. Ooh. There's fire right here, dog. Look at that. I'm gonna get that one next, bro. Or Momentum GT. Damn! Clowning on your ass, dog. He don't even got a splitter. I got a splitter. The homie got a splitter.
I got a splitter, dog.
Oh. Slacking, dog.
What's an L switch one?
Look at those canards, dog. You see, Brett? Oh, well, this is Instagram. You guys want to follow on Big China. Big China, fun. Look at that, dog. Look at that. Yeah, it's a puppy.
This is my display anyways. All the other ones are my actual running lights.
Oh, look, there goes the Q50 we keep seeing on the car shows, car spots, or spots.
No way.
Ooh. I saw him last week. We saw him last week. I don't know. This is the first time I come here.
What do you mean?
Yeah, no, and the last time I was another spot. I thought it was this one. Yeah, no, I thought so too. But it's only one way in, one way out. But just don't do stupid shit. It's just like that fucking 392 was doing. You saw how he was burning out and leaving?
Or like how I was at the street?
Yeah, that too. I didn't have it with me. Look at that shit. Slam to the ground. Check it out. Oh, look at that. Anybody want to have a romantic ass day? Fuck. Look at that. That shit's a king. Ooh. For real, anybody? Let me guess, license. Oh, I like that sticker. I was gonna get that sticker, but I didn't get it. I was gonna get that sticker that he has. Let me guess, license and registration. Yeah, I was gonna get that one, but I didn't get it. Yeah, big old wingo. Aerodynamics, bro. Wanna walk around?
It wasn't my fault. That's on a fast car.
See what we
It was
got.
her. She was on the other car.
See what kind of car. Let's see what car I've seen and haven't seen. That's just nice. I want to do that to my car. I want to add some girls lights.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Yeah. Damn, it smells like weed. It smells like fucking smog, vape. God damn, it smells like they're gonna fuck shit up. Got the Scion, Lexus, Subies. Get yourself a little hand sanitizer, 10% alcohol and 90% glitter. Stay safe from that coronavirus. This ain't no joke. They're gonna lock down California with the quarantine shit. See what we got. I should bring my fucking dog. She's more excited about dogs than I'm over here excited about cars and shit. Well, bring your own dog. Yeah, I seen that car before. I've seen them in the streets once. Let's go check out. Look at the Camaros though. All of the Mustangs. That's just nice. Yeah. That's just nice. I like that grapple, matte black. Especially for this one, look at that. Oof. Oof. I guess I'm gonna kick it here because this is where everybody comes in. I want to see some good rides. Oh, look, they got stickers. Let's see what kind of stickers they got. Probably put some on mine. Oh shit. Vic, is that you? Vic boy? With your chopper?
What the fuck?
Oh, it's that right here. Hell yeah. Look at that. Where you going? Where you going? Oh, there's more. Oh, you can feel the breeze in here. We got the Honda going down. We got another Camaro coming through. Oh yeah. Oh. You just bought that fucking exhaust. Oh, who's coming in? Somebody be revving up there. Oh, look, the Chihuahua. Huh? That's it, huh? Yeah? I'm gonna cut that part out. Oh, look, there goes his buddy again, too. I guess he said no, not tonight. God damn. Let's walk around. I'm choking. God damn, that's how you smell the fucking smog. Smog!
Hey, are your lights still on even though you're over here?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot.
I seen this guy too in the streets. This is when I messaged one of the homies. I was like, should I race him or no? I sent him a picture. Damn, that's a killer right there. Look at that. Oh, 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 that kitty dude. Oh yeah, we're just roaming around, see where to find. There's the Jeep, the fucking. What the fuck did I say Jeep for? Oh yeah. So these are the stickers that I got. Daily driven. Breaknecks all day. Made you look. I'm gonna put this one on my diffuser. Should I put it on my diffuser? Let's go check my car. Look, my car's way over there. Oh, my car's over there. It's getting washed. Hell yeah, that's what I like. Oh shit, La Jura! Whoop, 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 whoop! Oh, the popo! Oh shit. Oh shit. The police is down here though. Look at my lights. Look at my lights. Look at my lights though. What's going on? Oh, they changed slowly. I forgot. Come on, let's go meet up with the squad right now. Oh, he got out. The cop got out. Alright, let's go check it out. Let's see what he got to say. Everybody be pulling up. Look at that. Everybody coming around. There he goes. There he goes. He's probably like, yo, who the fuck is the host? I don't know. Hey, man. There it is. Let's go back over there. Shit, everybody's leaving now. He's just trying to see who's gonna cope. Look at that shit. Nice and slow, guys. Huh? What?
Can I help you, sir?
Can I help you, sir?
Like, what are you doing here, bitch?
What you say, boy?
Get off the car, you're under Donald Trump for president.
Oh. A lot of people are leaving. I think they're scared. They're like, fuck that.
Let me go.
Hey, how many you want to bet that by the time we leave, there's gonna be like a couple cop cars on top waiting for us? I'm recording. I see the corner of her eye coming, looking at me this way. Where y'all going? Don't need to be scared. You don't do shit. Y'all just hand out some tickets. That's it. That's it. Well, the cop. Oh, there you go. I don't know. I think he said we can't be here.
I'm on YouTube.
Let's go.
Follow me on my YouTube channel. They call me Scat Daddy.
Yo, Scat Daddy. That's his Instagram name, Scat Daddy. Yeah, you know YouTube. Oh, the cars. Oh shit, sorry. Oh, look, Q50. Oh, I can see my ride from here. Besides the cop killing our fun right here. Oh, Eric! Goddamn, why didn't we move it? Move! Oh man, everybody be revving every time. Alright, well, besides getting our shit pulled over by the cops, well, not pulled over, but killing our fucking meat. That was fun though. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.